Sup dogs, this is Ross from Brotastic, and I'm at the Tribe baseball game at Plumeri Park, and my nose is chapped today. I have no idea how. They're taking on George Mason today. Alright. Tribe is going for clinching the CAA winning record.
No, not a CAA record. We have to.
We're trying to go for a winning record.
Not yet.
Today, the tennis team is going to get honored. The women's tennis team. They won the tournament. They're getting honored. Look at that. That fell over. All these water bottles fell over. Look at that. Crazy wind. Okay, I'm going to upload this now. Peace out.